Hi, and this is John. Just trying to dedicate this video to my brother Joe. Joe, we were trying to reach Carlos Rosario from Tamarindo Beach. Unfortunately, the tides were not on our advantage, so we have to scrap the expedition. But you can see Playa Tamarindo Grande in the background, and as you know, Carlos Rosario is behind the tree line. So we dedicate this video to you, and thank you for watching.
Today we're at Punta Tamarindo. In the distance behind me, where you see the boats, is Playa Tamarindo Grande. We thought we would stop here and show you the beautiful vistas of the rocks and why Playa Tamarindo and Playa Tamarindo Grande are such great snorkeling spots because of the beautiful coral reefs. We hope you enjoy the sights and sounds from Punta Tamarindo.